Another group within the troubled opposition CCC has initiated recalls targeting Sengezo Tshabangu and his cabal. The grouping has since recalled Tendai Biti's former deputy Kukaka Pulu Parliament. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we'll give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. Several Citizens Coalition for Change senators appointed by Tshabangu and sworn in Parliament Tuesday have been recalled. A letter signed by former Entumbane Makandeni lawmaker Dingilizwe Chuma, who claims to be the CCC chairperson working closely with Albert Mhlanga, indicates that the recalled proportional representation senators are Kukaka Pulu, Lillian Lilo, Linda Sibanda and Colette Ndlovu. Pulu was Tshabangu's attorney. Speaking to Studio 7 last night, Mhlanga said, "Yes, we had a meeting where we resolved to recall them because Sengezo Tshabangu single-handedly picked former People's Democratic Party members where he belonged with Tendai Biti and Jacob Mafume. We are CCC, which was led by Nelson Chamisa, so these PDP members never stopped fighting in the party from the days of the late Morgan Tsvangirai, who is the former founding president of the Movement for Democratic Change." The 4 field posts left vacant following the recalling of some lawmakers, including former Bulawayo Member of Parliament Gift Ostalo Siziba and others by Tshabangu, who still claims that he is the interim Secretary General of the party. This is today's news on Sengezo Tshabangu. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe, like and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.